Hi, I'm Alex with Aerodynamics, and today we're busting the 5 biggest HVAC myths that could be costing you money instead of saving it. Myth number 1, setting your thermostat lower will cool your home down faster. Have you ever come home to a hot house and set your thermostat to 60 degrees because you think it'll cool your home faster? Bad news, your AC doesn't work like a car accelerator. It cools at the same rate no matter what temperature you set it to. All you're doing is running it inefficiently and wasting energy. The fix? Set it to your desired temperature and let it do its job. Myth number 2, closing vents in unused rooms saves money. You might think that closing vents will redirect air where you want it, but actually, this will restrict airflow and make your system work harder. This can lead to pressure buildups, leaks, and even damage your ductwork. The fix? Leave the vents open and consider a zoning system if you want more control over individual rooms. Myth number 3, ceiling fans cool the room when you're not there. A ceiling fan will make you feel cooler, but it doesn't actually change the temperature of the room. Leaving a ceiling fan on when you're not home just wastes electricity. Number 4, bigger HVAC units are always better. Bigger HVAC units will cool your home down too quickly without removing humidity, leaving your home feeling damp and uncomfortable. Plus, they'll cycle on and off, which will shorten their lifespan. The fix? Get an HVAC system appropriately sized for your home. Myth number 5, HVAC maintenance isn't necessary unless something's broken. Skipping maintenance on your HVAC system is like never changing your car's oil. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Dirty filters, clogged coils, and worn out parts can make your system work harder and shorten its lifespan. The fix? Change your filters regularly and schedule a tune-up at least once a year. If you want more information on how to cool your home efficiently, give us a call or visit aerodynamicscares.com.